People love Tommyshelby from Peaky Blinders. He's a quiet, introverted character and at the same time extremely charismatic. While you don't want to be like Tommy in every way, there are 7 habits you can learn from him to instantly command more respect from the people around you, so get started the video. Number 1. Accept yourself. It's important to accept yourself. Forgive yourself for having your flaws. Remember, nobody's perfect, we all have our own shortcomings. Confidence is about accepting that, and knowing where to focus your energy. Confident people tend to have little to feel ashamed about, they're proud of who they are. Number 2. Keep expanding your comfort zone. You grow as a person when you're doing things that test your limits. When faced with a difficult task, the insecure tend to retreat into their comfort zone. But confident people are up to the challenge. This isn't to say confident people are fearless. They can still be afraid of failing. What sets them apart is acting despite the fear of failure. That's why it's important to try taking steps to venture beyond your comfort zone. Number 3. Don't let failure go to waste. When you make a mistake, it's actually a golden opportunity to learn a valuable lesson. It's an experience that teaches you what not to do. Confident people don't let failure define them. Instead, they use it as a stepping stone to success. Number 4. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself is essential to building confidence. It's hard to feel confident when you're not taking care of your physical and emotional needs. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating healthy, and exercising regularly. Also, take time to do things you enjoy. Number 5. Set goals. Setting goals is a great way to build confidence. When you set a goal and achieve it, you feel a sense of accomplishment. This sense of accomplishment can help boost your confidence. Make sure your goals are realistic and achievable. Number 6. Be positive. Positive thinking can help you build confidence. When you think positively, you're more likely to take risks and try new things. This can help you build confidence and achieve your goals. Try to focus on the positive aspects of your life and avoid negative self-talk. Number 7. Practice good posture. Your body language can affect how you feel about yourself. When you stand up straight and hold your head high, you're more likely to feel confident. Practice good posture to help boost your confidence. So these are the 7 habits that Tommyshelby have, and that's why people like the Tommyshelby character. I'll meet you in the next video, so stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.